Welcome to DOLA 2-Minute Mods. Today we cover the Dancer's Pad, a metatarsal bar modification used for first MPJ pathology and improving mechanics, including sesamoiditis, functional hallux limitis, and more. A Dancer's Pad is a forefoot orthotic modification designed to offload or reduce the tissue stress on the first metatarsal head, surrounding tissues including the sesamoid complex, or improve mechanics. It consists of a pad with a characteristic cutout that accommodates the first metatarsal head and extends into the arch beneath the other metatarsal heads and shafts, effectively allowing the first ray to drop through relative to the lesser metatarsals. It is also known as the sesamoid dancer's pad, first ray cutout pad, or first met offload. A dancer's pad is used for a variety of first ray and first MPJ conditions, including sesamoiditis, sesamoid stress fracture, functional hallux limitis, a plantar flexed first ray, first metatarsal head callus, or first metatarsal joint capsulitis or bursitis. For this mod, we need a DOLA Pro orthotic with the clinical markings of the first metatarsal head, a pen, a pour-on self-adhesive metatarsal bar, and your choice of hole punch, scissors, blade, or grinder. Select the pour-on metatarsal bar size needed and mark the location for the aperture using a pen. Using the cutout method of your choice, create an aperture in the pour-on metatarsal bar at the marked location. In this case, we used a hole punch. Remove the cutout and assess the shape of your aperture compared to your clinical markings. This pad was then trimmed with scissors to match the clinical markings. Now peel the backing tape and place the self-adhesive metatarsal bar in place with the aperture over the clinical markings and apply pressure. The pad is creating an accommodation for the first metatarsal head and sesamoid complex. It's now time to test the function and fit with your patient. Check the positioning of the cutout and function before covering. For more education and training, follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or join the DOLA Academy.